With Release 101, we've done an update on operational grouping. If I was to look at a manifest parser, so this is a spreadsheet file which we import to create consignments. On here I have a grouping, or I have 6 consignments. They're all going to the same place. Now they've all got individual reference numbers. And you can see here that we've got 2 pallets, a heap of cartons, and also 1 skid down the bottom. So if we were to import this file for Bob's Beverage Sales, there is a setting in underneath the customer, and we do it all at a customer level because some customers you may want to group, other customers you may not want to group. So if I come into Bob's Beverage Sales and I edit into the customer, under the Transport Management tab, the very first setting under defaults is automatically group consignments on manifest. So because this is ticked, when I bring in this manifest parser, it will actually group all the consignments together for me. So if I go to the Transport tab and then into Consignments, I've brought in the manifest parser, and we can see here that I have a consignment up the top, which is a grouped consignment. And I can tell that by the fact that it has a red G right next to the select button. Once I click into this consignment, there's an additional tab here called Group, and that will obviously show when you have grouped consignments. So as we click on into the group here, we can see that we have our parent consignment, which is the group consignment, and then we have what we call 6 children consignment underneath. What this does is the group consignment will actually amalgamate all of the individual items onto the one group. So if I have a look here on the group and I go into the consignment items, we can see here that I have 23 cartons, I have the 2 pallets and the 1 skid. So this is an operational grouping which just makes it easy when we go to allocate out the consignments. Instead of allocating out 6 consignments, we're just allocating out 1. And also it makes it easier when we're looking on the bulk allocation screen and also on the consignment screen, because we don't need to see each individual consignment. It makes it a lot easier if we're just seeing one. I can tick and then I can move and allocate that job out.